Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to show you guys how to make a hookah today. Super easy. I actually make it the best, so I figured that I would make a video just to show you guys what to do. It takes me literally less than 5 minutes to make it. So I'm gonna go through the steps, okay? The first step is you want to fill up the water in your hookah. Doesn't matter what size your hookah is. Mine has like kind of like a weird shape, but you want to make sure that the pipe in the hookah has like ½ an inch of water. You don't want to have too much at the bottom. I hope you guys can see that. So you want to fill it up just to ½ an inch at the very bottom of the pipe. Okay? So once that's done, also, first thing you do is you put your coals on a stove, or if you don't have a stove, you can put it on top of your hookah and light it that way. But for me, I have a stove, so I have my coals lighting up right now. So you want to get your tobacco, shisha, fill it up. For me, I have an electronic one, so it's super easy. I don't really need the foil or anything. So you want to pack that in. Some people like dry their tobacco, but for me, I'm not going to do that. I don't really notice a difference really. So you want to pack it like such. And then if you have an electronic hookah top, you want to stick it in. Once again, if you don't have one, it's totally fine. You just do it the regular way. You put it into your bowl and cover it with foil, okay? Put this on top. And I have an ice hose, which I recommend. If you're a hookah smoker, get an ice hose because it's just way better. You stick it in there. And last step is you grab your coals. Make sure your coals are on top. I use about 3. I think 3 is a good number. Not just a random number, you know what I mean? 3 is good because you want to make sure there's enough coal on top of the entire surface. So once you have the coals on top, all you have to do is just make sure everything's secure, and then you just smoke away. Super easy. You do have to get it started though, so you have to pull a couple times and make sure that it's like, you know, hitting properly. And that should be a good hit. Super easy.